Welcome back to another .NET MAUI Beginner Series video. I'm James Montemagno, a product manager on the developer community team here at Microsoft, and today we're continuing our journey learning how to build native cross-platform desktop and mobile applications with .NET MAUI. Now in this video, I'm going to recap everything that we learned so far and give you additional resources of where to get going. Now, in this beginner series, we learned not only what .NET MAUI is, but what is inside of a .NET MAUI application, including cross-platform images and resources and styles. And we also learned how to access native platform-specific code or access many of the APIs in .NET MAUI for doing common things like connectivity, geolocation, and device sensors. Now, we also learned how to build user interfaces directly inside of XAML, an XML-based markup language, and how to add great features to it with data binding and MVVM, an architecture pattern that enables you to be hyper-productive when creating user interfaces. It enables your UI to update when the code behind updates or vice versa. We also took a look at how we can deploy to many operating systems from Visual Studio 2022. We also saw how we can be more productive by using the great features built into Visual Studio, including live preview and one of my favorite features, hot reload for both XAML and C#, enabling you to write code and have your application update in real time as you're debugging. Now there is so much more inside of .NET MAUI, and I want to make sure that you have all the resources you need to get started. There are amazing documentation on the docs.microsoft.com/.net/MAUI. I'll give you every single thing that you need to know when you continue your journey building these cross-platform native apps for desktop and mobile with .NET MAUI. Additionally, I want to show you that there's an amazing resource of MAUI samples. This is going to give you everything that you need to kind of explore the different capabilities of .NET MAUI. It includes full applications, and it includes smaller samples for specific features of .NET MAUI. Finally, make sure that you check out the .NET YouTube and video series on docs.microsoft.com, including on.net, where the team live streams and has pre-recorded videos that come out every single week talking about all the great things that are happening in the world of .NET and .NET MAUI. Finally, I mentioned it a few times in the different videos, but I want to bring special attention to the vast ecosystem around .NET MAUI. There's a great GitHub repo called awesome.NET MAUI. I'll put it in the show notes below. That is run by the community that highlights all of the amazing libraries, apps, and all the things that you can do with .NET MAUI. It's a great resource to bookmark when you're looking for really cool things to explore. And finally, I do want to talk about the .NET Community Toolkits. We've explored them a little bit here in this video, including the .NET Community Toolkit for MVVM that makes MVVM much simpler, and also the .NET MAUI Community Toolkit that adds a whole bunch of new controls, converters, behaviors, and so much more. I'll put links to everything in the show notes below. Now, of course, I'll answer any of your questions if you're over on YouTube, but make sure that you do give the video a thumbs up. It helps others find videos in the series. I really hope that you enjoyed this beginner series for .NET MAUI, and feel free to reach out to me or the team at any time with any questions. Happy coding, and I can't wait to see what you build with .NET MAUI for iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows to build those beautiful native cross-platform apps. Thanks for watching.